Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming at you with another wonderful video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose up to 30 pounds in 15 days. And it is so easy, so simple. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to need. Well, first of all, you're going to need a pot. Okay, so we got our pot boiling or warming up on the stove. You're also going to need 1 liter of water. Okay, unfiltered spring water, that's best. Okay, you're also going to need, and I have my 3 ingredients here. You're going to need some black seeds. This is going to alleviate asthma. It can alleviate asthma in adults and children. It's going to boost the memory, and it has powerful healing abilities. So many wonderful things that black seed does for your body. You're also going to need some fennel seeds. Now, the fennel seed is going to help you to shed the kilos, is rich in vitamins, minerals, has diuretic properties, and removes toxins, boosting your metabolism. Wonderful for your diets. And last, you're going to need cumin seeds. Now, the cumin seeds is going to help to burn the calories fast by increasing your metabolism rate and digestion. It's also going to lower your bad cholesterol, prevent heart attacks, increase memory, boost immunity, treats asthma, and prevent gases and bloating. This is also awesome for shedding that weight. Okay, you're also going to need some cinnamon sticks, a lemon, and a piece of ginger, about 1 inch. So before we get started, let me just put this water in this warm pan. Okay, and we're going to bring this water to a boil. Now, while that's on the stove boiling, I also want to dice up my ginger. Okay, so you chop your ginger into pieces, mash it, whatever is necessary to extract all of the juices from it. You can use ginger powder, but ginger powder really doesn't have the same effect as the actual root itself. The root is much more powerful, much more stronger. So we're just going to pop that into our water, allow that to boil. Next, you're going to add in your black seeds, also fennel seeds, and lastly, of your cumin seeds. Okay, next we're just going to put in 1 stick of our cinnamon. You can also use cinnamon powder, and if you do use the cinnamon powder, you would use at least 1/2 teaspoon. So we're going to put 1 stick in there. Now, the reason I'm using the cinnamon is so that I don't have to use sugar or any type of sweetener. Okay, so we're just going to leave this on the stove on a very medium flame, and we're going to boil this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you guys, so we are back, and now it's time to strain our tea. And lastly, we're going to take the juice of 1/2 a lemon, and we're going to squeeze that. Okay. Now, if you choose that you want to sweeten it, you would use 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay. You just add 1 teaspoon of honey, and that's it. Your tea is ready. Now you would drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. And what you're going to do is you're going to drink this before your meal, 20 minutes before breakfast. And this is a diuretic. This is going to have you flushing. It's going to have you peeing a lot. So just know this is going to get you to going, all right? It's going to stir up your intestines. It's going to get you going throughout the day. So you should drink lots of water. This is going to slim you down. It's going to melt off the fat. It's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to give you that energy. So this way you burn more calories. This is going to help to prevent gases as well as bloating. It's also going to help with memory loss, okay? So if you're having trouble with your memory, this tea is going to help strengthen that, as well as lower those bad cholesterols. It's going to boost your metabolism. This is an awesome weight loss tea. Drink this in the mornings on an empty stomach, and throughout the day you eat very healthy light meals, okay? And you're going to see that weight coming off of you. Like I said, you can shed 30 pounds in 15 days. Drink this every morning and you're going to see the benefits. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check down below for the links for the seeds, because I'll have the links for the cumin, black seed, and the fennel seed down below. And you guys check for the personal size and the full size NUTRIBULLET blenders, as well as those metal reusable straws. This is not a sponsored video, so check down below and you can get those items down there as well. Check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more. Alright? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget your auntie and big sis loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.